Okay. So. Got our Slurpees. Waiting for the homeboys. Yeah.
What? No? Wait. Why are we bringing outdoor shoes? Put footballs out there. That's embarrassing.
I'd be sitting right here.
Save me.
I look really white. What are you doing?
Trying to make a scary face. Where is my... Oh.
Stop, you creeper. Yeah. What?
I'm seeing if I have her number. Bam! Wait, what are you gonna say? Slut? Bitch? Cunt?
It's going down. What?
Ew, we need help.
No.
There's something in my eye.
Wait, what if she like called the cops on me?
I'll look to see what you're saying.
I should be like, hi, you're a slut.
Like, hello. Slut.
Should I just send this?
Be like, your boyfriend looks like a turtle with Down syndrome.
Well, I'm scared. You're gonna do it?
Yep.
Here we go.
Ha ha ha. Your boyfriend looks like a turtle with Down syndrome.
I'm hungry. Well, bye. Say bye.